Hi everyone! Konnichiwa! I'm YUCa! Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. So today we will make easy and simple sushi roll for Setsubun. Seasonal division. Setsubun comes as soon as the fluttering January is over and we eat sushi roll called Ehomaki for this event. Originally, it was the custom only in the Kansai region, like Osaka and Kyoto, but now it has spread to the whole country. And we usually use raw fish for sushi rolls, but we will not use raw fish in this recipe. Instead, we use the meat using Japanese barbecue sauce. And I will show you two kinds of sushi roll today. One with nori seaweed, and the other one with thin egg omelette. And as always, my friendly family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Ehomaki is ready, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. And it is also customary to eat this ehomaki while eating a wish in the mind with the eye closed and without uttering a single word. So you will eat this at the stroke in order not to lose ties. Ooh, with the pressure. And every year, the happy direction changes. So this year, 2022, it's north-northwest. North-northwest. So I'll eat with this direction. Okay, start. I think I made lots of wishes, but it's done! Yay! I'm sure you're wondering how the flavor is like. Ehomaki, the balance of meat and vegetables were really great. And the egg version, it was easy to chew through. I think even small children can easily eat it. The meat is well soaked in barbecue sauce, so you don't need to add extra soy sauce before eating it. ごちそうさまでした。And here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: when making egg sheet, please add water and a little bit salt and mix very well so that the egg white will be smooth. Tip: use a large fry pan and add a little oil before making an egg sheet. Tip: and if your children is not fond of eating raw vegetables, you can skip it. Or I recommend to boil before use. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. So everyone, have a great day, a great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!